Hi. My name is Jack, aka Jack of all trades. As I do multitasking. I use a cash register to do my billing. I use spreadsheets to manage stock. I use registers to keep a track of staff attendance. I have a fixed source for my supplies. And customers? I know them all. Hello Peter, welcome back to our restaurant. I'm not Peter, I'm Max.
As an owner, you have to juggle between multiple business processes.
Unable to maintain a balance, you fall down under the burden. Jack calls out for help. And FusionResto comes to his rescue. FusionResto offered Jack point of sale, inventory management, financial management, customer relationship, restaurant analytics, payroll management, advanced resto tools, schemes and promotions, and chain outlet management. With the help of FusionResto, from Jack of all trades, he became king of all trades. And soon he got his queen and both of them ran their restaurant successfully. To become the king in the world of restaurants, contact +91 831926662. Or visit www.fusionresto.com for a free demo.